I'm your host, Harris Pianabong, and welcome to Cooking with Mr. International. On today's episode, we are here in Portland, Oregon. I have a very special guest, Oriana.
Alrighty, nice to meet everyone.
Alright, and on today's episode, can you tell me what are we making, Oriana?
Today we're gonna make chicken feet salad, or in Laos we call it yam tin kai. But this one's gonna be a little bit different maybe than you've had before. It's gonna be more of a pickled version.
That sounds good. Yeah, in Lao, yam tin kai, we do it in parties and wedding. It is a delicacy, would you agree?
Definitely.
Alright. Okay, I love your setup here.
Thank you.
Later on, stay tuned. We're gonna get her husband Lucky in, and they're gonna talk about their Lao wedding and what it is to be Lao American. Let's get started. So what do you have over here?
So we have some basic ingredients actually. We have 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of MSG, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, fresh squeezed lime, 1 cup of vinegar, and you can't forget your Thai chili peppers.
That looks so spicy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm excited. This is all fresh ingredients. That vinegar is the twist.
Yep.
So wow.
So we also will be putting in purple and white onion, bell pepper, and then we have some fresh cilantro as well.
Oh, full of flavors. I like the pop of color. So with that being said, Oriana, I'm gonna have you get started. Take it away.
All right. I have 3 pounds of chicken feet. Before I cook them, I always cut the nails off. So to make it go a little bit faster, I'm gonna use my Instapot. Just going to put the chicken feet in here and then cover it with water. And then we're gonna cook it at high for 20 minutes. If you don't have an Instapot, that's fine too. You can just boil the chicken feet on your stove. It usually takes about 40 to 45 minutes. You want the chicken feet to be nice and tender.
We have a special guest, her husband, Lucky. Smiley. Okay, so now it's that hom deng, no?
Yes.
Onion. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, yes.
Which one do you want?
Is there a preference with the onion? Can you use less of or more of?
You can definitely use less or more. It's really up to you. Because I have the 3 pounds of chicken feet today, I just decided to do 2 really big onions, as you can see. Okay, now that we have all the onions sliced, we're gonna pickle the onions while we wait for the chicken feet to cook. I know earlier I said 1 cup of vinegar, but really it may not be enough. I add a little bit more vinegar just to cover the veggies.
So I know my fiance and I are right behind you guys. I know you guys got married last year.
Yes.
Beautiful wedding. You guys did a Lao wedding, then an American wedding, right?
Yes, we did.
So I've seen that. It was so beautiful. So please, you guys don't mind, can you share a little bit? You did it in Cancun?
Yes.
We had a destination wedding in Cancun about a month before our Lao ceremony.
Nice.
And that was the, the American way. Just have a really small, very intimate, and I think we achieved that, definitely.
Yeah, you guys look amazing. Brother, I love your tuxedo. I'll show you guys that. Talk a little bit more about the Lao wedding.
It was a packed house.
Nice.
We did the traditional hand from down the street to the house, and we had the
whole block.
Yeah, the whole block was blocked off basically.
Man.
With friends and family, and we did the traditional step by step before you get into the house. I don't know what they call it, but
Yeah. What you're talking about, like with the robes,
Yes.
you gotta cast, talk to
like-
both side of the family.
like a test
Yeah,
before you get
yeah,
to the next
exactly.
step, and then the
It's a
next
lot of
step.
concept. It's really
Yeah.
fun. In our Lao culture, we do a lot of drinking. Yeah. So did you get to do some of that?
Oh yeah,
Like just,
a little too much drinking.
yeah, nice. Thank you so much for sharing.
Yeah.
I believe you told me you're half Vietnamese and half Laos, right?
Yes.
Did you grow up with both culture?
I did. My mom is Vietnamese and my dad is Lao, and luckily we have both families very close here in the Portland area, so I spent a lot of time with both. My grandma actually helped raise me, babysat me, and took me to school when we were younger, and so I got to learn both languages. Definitely, for some reason, I don't know why, I speak a lot more Lao than I do Vietnamese, but now, looking back, I wish that I could speak more Vietnamese. My mom sent me to Vietnamese school for 3 years.
Wow.
And I
intense.
hated it
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I went to American school 5 days out of the week, and
Yeah.
my Sundays were spent at Vietnamese school.
Wow, that's great. The Vietnamese culture, the food is amazing as well. So you kind of have like the best of both worlds, and you're a foodie for American food too.
Absolutely. So 20 minutes later, I let it release. I actually did a quick release since we are in a hurry, but you can also let it release by itself. Open it up. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and strain it. It's a little hot right now, so I gotta strain it and let it sit and cool down. And then we're gonna take one of the big bone out. Okay, so now that we strained the chicken feet and it's a little bit cooled down, what we're gonna do is take the biggest bone out of the foot. It's a little bit tricky, hard to get at first, but basically when you're looking at the chicken feet, you have the 4 fingers and then you have this bone that's right in the middle. And so what you do is you kind of move the skin aside and grab it and twist.
Oh, nice. I just learned a new technique.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to try the recipe.
And then I'm just gonna throw these into the bowl over here. And then once we have those, we'll cut this feet.
Yep, and we'll be right back.
Yep. Now you did a job. You get
Okay.
to help me cut all the fingers.
Let's do it. Okay.
So basically just cut every single knot.
Okay, just like a
Super
one
easy.
each.
Yeah, one each.
Yeah. It's all about presentation,
Yep.
so that's good.
And then we'll just throw them in there.
All right. Okay.
And it's a little bit more bite-sized for
Wow,
everyone.
look at it, it's so tender.
So tender, right?
The Instapot is
20
amazing.
minutes.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow.
And you know,
Brother, very careful with the quarantine weight. Yeah. 20 minutes during quarantine is like, wow, you can cook everything, right?
yeah.
Like, oh, eat this. Oh, let's have fun next. Yeah, I'm surprised how tender it is.
Yeah. Some people, I mean, like, you know, it just depends also how tender you like it.
Yeah.
If you want it less
Yeah.
than this, you could go
Yeah.
less time. So funny is like when I was a little girl, I don't know if you eat a lot of dim sum when you're growing up.
Oh, I
or
love
not.
dim sum.
I love dim sum.
They
too.
do with the bean, right?
Yeah, with the beans
Yeah.
and it's just different marination,
Yeah,
right?
it's good. It's more like that golden, kind of like that Dom Kim.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
That Dom
the
Kim
five
flavor.
Chinese 5 spice.
Yeah. When I was a little girl,
Yeah.
my mom used to take us to go eat dim sum like
Tender.
every weekend,
Yeah.
and I loved the chicken feet growing up.
Yeah.
And
So-
then I got a little bit older and I realized, oh, it's chicken feet! Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
We went back to Laos and I saw where the chicken feet go, and
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah.
and then I was like, okay, I can't
Yeah.
eat chicken feet anymore
Yeah.
for a while, and then I
Don't
just
get it.
started eating it again.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's an acquired texture.
Texture. Yeah, you're right.
Because you know some people don't
Texture.
like this
Slimy.
slime.
typey,
Yeah, it's a little slimy. It's a little
Yeah.
goopy.
Just think of it like fat, like
Yes.
you know, on like tri-tip or whatever.
Yeah.
Like,
Fat on
yeah.
anything, on your
Yeah.
ribeye, whatever.
Yeah. Your chicken wagyu. Chicken wagyu. It's not on the chicken, but it's on the feet. I like to add a lot of pipon, which is
The
dry
ground up,
pepper.
yeah.
Yeah, it just brings out the more flavor. Whenever like you say pepper shout out to BGZ TV.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so I guess we're adding everything in now.
Yep. We're gonna add all
Wow.
the
Let's do it.
ingredients in now. So we're gonna add all of the pickled onions in. And I'm gonna reserve a little bit of the vinegar. Won't put it all in yet since we did do a little bit more than a cup. Our bell pepper. Just added some color to it. This is 2 limes. Tablespoons of fish sauce, and this is going to be to taste. MSG, 1 tablespoon of MSG. You can omit it if you want. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar.
mix it.
Yes.
Mix it well.
The smell, the aroma.
Okay.
Yeah. This is your favorite dish when your wife mixes for you?
Yeah,
Your food?
Yep.
Yeah.
Anything she makes is my favorite dish.
Nice. Awesome.
Good answer,
Good
honey.
answer.
Good answer.
Couple goals.
Else I can't eat.
So we're all done mixing everything. The last step is gonna be to put the cilantro in because it gives it that nice fresh taste. All of the juices in there. Okay, Harris, you want to try one?
Yeah,
Yes.
right. Cheers. No wonder he said add more. But looks good.
Oh my god, so good.
Okay, bro. Let's kick up the vinegar caution with the lime. Good. Amazing. Thank you guys.